Hello everyone, today I was working on the Cloudgoat scenarios provided by Rhino Security Labs, AWS pen testing, and those are the vulnerable by design labs for practicing AWS pen testing and cloud pen testing overall. And I encountered this issue, so right here, error creating S3 bucket ACL for specific scenario, right? And I realized that this error is happening all over again whenever you try to create a scenario where there is a S3 bucket in there. So you can see here I'm trying to create a scenario where it is called EC2 underscore SSRF, and there is a scenario resource which is one VPC with EC2 instance in there, one Lambda function, and one we are registering in S3 bucket. So whenever you want to go ahead and use the Rhino Security Labs for practice and you find a scenario with S3 bucket, in the moment of recording this video, it's very likely that you are going to encounter this error as I did. So in order to fix this issue and successfully deploy the scenario so you can go ahead and practice on it, you need to log in as you in the AWS management console of your root account, the one that you provided when you were setting up the Rhino Security Labs, or actually I can say Cloudgoat environment. So when you log in the AWS Management Console, you want to go ahead and navigate to the S3 buckets. So here I see that S3 buckets is being successfully created. I can see from here as CG secret S3 bucket EC2 SSRF. So if you remember, EC2 SSRF is the name of the scenario. So this bucket is the bucket that I'm interested in. So you can select the bucket right here and you can navigate to the permissions. And if we try to see here access control list ACL, the one that we're getting error, it's not editable yet, so I'm not able to click the edit button, but we can fix it with a few clicks. So first of all, I want to go ahead and enable public access by editing it. So for right now it's blocking all public access. I don't want that. So save changes as is and confirm, type confirm here. All right, that's all good. And then one more thing is to change the object ownership to ACLS enabled. Check I acknowledge that ACLS will be restored, save changes, and then you can see the access control list or ACL is now clickable. And now the only thing I need to change here is to click the read button for everyone on the public access. And then one more time, I understand the effects of these changes on my objects and buckets. I'm able to save changes right now. Changes are being successfully implemented, and then we can go ahead, come back to the terminal and try to run create command one more time. So this is that slash cloudgoat.py create EC2 SSRF scenario. So let's give it a try. Yes, I want to overwrite. And it's working. You're gonna see your AWS account ID right here and access key ID as well as a secret key ID. So you can go ahead and configure the profile with the following command: AWS configure profile, configure profile, and the profile name you want to use for this scenario. So or actually you can just go ahead in AWS credentials file, credentials folder that you can locate on your local machine and edit the credentials there as well. So either way works both ways, but this is how you fix this issue. It's really simple. You just need to have access of your root AWS profile. Thank you everybody, and I hope this helps.